hope you're enjoying some Russian language. We truly are very fortunate that you tune in to our YouTube today watching. And we're going to teach you one more salad today. This is just simple field greens, okay? You're going to have it as a base. So get you the field greens. I buy organic if I can, because you are detoxing, so from that point it's better. So you don't need to be chopping it with knife or anything. You can use your best utensils. They're attached to you. Those are two of your hands. So just go ahead and break it off just like this. Wash your hands first, yeah? My hands are hands are clean. Put some nice salad in. See, I'm making poems. Wash your hands, make them clean. Put some salad in.
I don't hear a poem.
Yeah, well, you have to get creative to hear my poems, okay? I'm telling you. And we just learned Russian, so this is salad, okay? This is salad. This is what I'm doing. And I am not chopping it. Я не режу салат. I am tearing it. Я рву салат. Рву. Салат. Класс. So we just put some salad, right? We used spring mix. We used organic. So we're gonna chop some carrot. It's up to you if you like the carrots thin or thick. I like texture in my food. Okay, good to go. Scoop it out. All right. Don't worry about calories in avocado. When you're gonna read about this recipe, we're gonna give you some nutritional information, how good is avocado. So just chop it, okay? Just like that, rough chop. Well, right now we're gonna be adding some sweetness to the salad. We're gonna use organic maple syrup. You can use honey, you can use agave. Just stay away from refined sugars. You are on a detox, you are on cleanse. We don't want any refined sugars anymore, all right? Even if it's organic sugar, don't use it. Use organic honey or organic maple syrup or agave, all right? We're gonna pour just a little bit of organic maple syrup. Just a little bit, we don't want too much, all right? We're gonna squeeze some lime. Remember, if you use avocado, you must, absolutely must use some acidity on it. And don't be worried. You can use one avocado and a whole entire lime squeezed right on it, okay? So don't you worry about it. I'm squeezing up. Remember, so the seeds don't fall in. Avocado loves lime, so don't you worry about over liming it, okay? You will not over lime it. That'll be awesome. All right, very good. Let me wash my hands.
When was the last time you spoke to an avocado?
Well, I'm telling you, it's a great question. Great question. I spoke to avocado recently, like yesterday. I was buying it, and avocado was kind of like, do I want to go with this lady or don't I? So I asked, okay, let's do it. And I asked, do you love lime? He said, oh, I love lime. So listen to avocado, like lime, okay? Good job. Now, usually people love crunch with salads, right? And they like to use croutons. Well, we're on detox. We're not going to be putting any croutons on, all right? So what we're going to be doing right now, we're going to be putting some walnuts. Walnuts are amazing for your digestive system. And they are so amazing for your brain. See, they even look like a little brain. All right? You see? It goes right into your brain, making all these fine ideas popping, and your humor is sharpening, and maybe you even start to sing. You never know how the brain works, all right? So put some of this awesome, nutritious walnut right into your salad for crunch. Don't use croutons. I'm gonna just roughly chop it. Just roughly chop it. Again, please, if you have good teeth, eat it. If you don't have such good teeth, if your teeth are falling out, you're chewing on stuff like hard stuff like this. Don't pop a tooth or a crown, okay? We don't want dental bills, right? We just want to eat well. Listen, this is our brain food right here, our walnuts. There we go. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. There we go. As much as you want. But again, remember, calories. This will bring a lot of calories to your dish, all right? Now we're gonna take awesome. This is awesome. This is pomegranate seeds. Oh my God, the food of gods. That's what they say. Well, just a joke. All right, you want some closer? Beautiful, 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 beautiful pomegranates. Colorful food. Look how colorful, how beautiful this is. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Look how beautiful, how colorful. Awesomeness all to your health, from my kitchen to yours. Okay, our cameraman is testing the next salad. Okay, do it one more time. Excellent, excellent. Yama yama. All right, all right, all right. Excellent. In Russian, you would say "вкусно" means tastes great. 2 thumbs up from our cameraman. Awesome.